everyone. Thank you very much for joining our first Cloud Nexus webinar. So my name is Jason. I'm the lead solution architect for Alibaba Cloud International Ecosystem Solutions. So today I'm the host for this webinar. Before I introduce the two gentlemen from Guance and Porters, let me quickly introduce the Cloud Nexus program. So Cloud Nexus is a series of webinar that aim to bring together the experts from different areas, so we can discuss the different technology and also hot topics, and we share the collaborative solutions on Alibaba Cloud. So on the cloud, we put a high priority to promote the ecosystem solutions together with us, and we have lots of joint solutions together with our technology partners. So Guance is one of them, because we fully believe that today, the cloud vendor is not only be treated as an infrastructure as a service provider, but also the platform we can together with our technology partner to offer end-to-end solutions for our end users. So that's why we have this series of Cloud Nexus webinars to foster an open dialogue, on emerging technologies and also industry trends and also best practices related to Alibaba Cloud. So we can share valuable insight, innovative ideas, and also practical solutions together with our partners and even customers. So today is our first session, and the topic would be observability for modern applications. So it's a clear trend that more and more applications are now running on cloud. They are using the cloud native services, and also more clients get used to use the software as a service directly in their daily operations. So before, traditionally, the observability or monitoring is just part of the feature of each application. But now customers are looking for a centralized observability platform to monitor all the infrastructure, all the applications, and also workload together. So today, I'm very happy to invite Mr. Harry Tu, who is a senior product specialist from Guance, and share his insight about this topic. So Harry, would you please use a few seconds to introduce yourself and also Guance business?
Okay, thank you, Jason. So this is Harry. I'm very happy to have this chance to attend this session. I'm a senior product specialist from Guance Information Technology. I have been working here for around 5 years. Guance One is our full stack observability platform product, which bring together end-to-end tracing, metrics, logs, events, etc. into one platform to make customer infrastructure, application, and even third-party service entirely observable. With this capability can help customer to ensure their system stability, avoid downtime, and ensure end users are getting better user experience. So far, we have served more than 200 customers across the worldwide, like Samsung, Geely. And we have several modes cover North America, Europe, and Asia area. So in addition, our customer have two options to choose for using our product. One is to use our SaaS as pay-as-you-go module. Other one is on-premise, which can be deployed in customer's private environment. So it's quite dependent on customer's needs. So one customer register Guance, we will provide free trial experience on our product with all functionality available. We are very welcome more new customers to experience our full stack observability platform. Yeah, thank you, Jason.
Thank you, Harry. Thank you much. Also, we are also very lucky to have Chris Wan, the senior solution architect from Porters, so he can share his insight or experience from the managed service provider point of view. So welcome, Chris. Can you introduce yourself?
Hi, everyone. I'm Chris from from the Porter's Cloud, and I'm the Senior Application Architect. For Porter's Cloud, we mainly provide multi-cloud solutions for our client, and we hope to provide clients can enjoy the benefit of multi-cloud in a cost-effective way. So we also provide managed service for a client that when they land the system, their API service on the multi-cloud platform, we can help to deploy, and also we can help to monitor the whole system and provide, let's say, monthly report and some monitoring service for our client. So we are a group of passionate solution architects that hope to provide more out-of-the-box solution for a client, just like Guance is one of our solutions we hope to provide for a client with a all-in-one and powerful with AI monitoring system. And also we are happy that we work closely with Alibaba Cloud and also Guance to provide a professional service for our client.
Okay, thank you, Chris. I think let's start. So my first question go to Harry, because you just mentioned what you can do, what Guance can help. So my question is, I know Guance is now the leading observability platform in China, and also you are very rapidly expand your business to other, global market, including Asia Pacific, North America, etc. So would you please share your insight? I mean, from why point of view, how do you think why observability today is so important to customer? And what's the major expectations from customer that from the observability platform like Guance, what the major values you can bring to them?
Okay, thank you, Jason. So I love this topic. So observability is indeed a hot topic in the field of software engineering and operations in this year. As we know, along with development of cloud computing and the maturity of containerization technology, the software applications have changed rapidly, even in case its functionality has not changed too much, but its architectures and development module now are very different. Modern and cloud-native applications are composed of complex microservice rather than monolithic boundaries. Short-lived containers and microservice managed on ACK, which is Alibaba Cloud Container Service for Kubernetes, provide the required speed and agility to successfully modernize. Well, however, dynamic nature that can spin service up and down within seconds. This might result in a lack of understanding of internal state of the application, difficult to make clear others and independent components that microservice relies on, and even the impact on users. So traditional monitoring typically provides a limited view of system data focused on individual metrics, do not have the capability to monitor and correlate data from different sources, making it challenging to gain holistic view of application performance and healthy. So due to lack of contextual insight, which is insufficient to handle complex and distributed systems, they typically feel unpredictable, so making much harder to diagnose issue. So while observability provides ways to gain insights into the internal working of a system by collecting and analyzing on variety of monitoring data with context analysis actually is critical to understanding why and problems exist and how they impact the business. So per my experience that served many customers, most of them expect the observability platform can provide comprehensive monitoring capabilities across their infrastructure, service, and user experience with data contextual analysis ability, so which can effectively monitor, troubleshooting, and optimize their infrastructure and applications. So especially they want a unified view of their entire environment. So this allows them to understand their entire system from a single platform, And this is not only improve efficiency, but also absolutely help customers save cost, as they do not need to build different monitoring platform and study different platform and need cost efforts. So also, customer like observability to enhance team collaboration by providing shared visibility and actionable insights into the system. Leverage observability, teams can work together more effectively, address issue efficiently, and drive the success of their business. So we can see that observability exploit has become crucial that enables organization to make data-driven decision, optimize resource usage, improve system reliability and performance with proactive issue resolution, and improve end user satisfaction. So Guance is a unified observability platform that can better meet customers' expectations. Yeah, that's a point, Jason.
Yeah, thank you, Harry. I think quite fair that from customer point of view, they want a platform to help them to have the end-to-end correlation capability, so they can know what happened, and also they want the whole picture, not only the simple component, but the whole picture to know the entire IT environment, and also give them insight to do further improvement. Okay, thank you, Harry. That's good. My second question go to Chris. So we now know that the unified centralized observability platform is important, but from service provider point of view, so how the end user can fulfill or implement the centralized platform, and what they need to do to avoid any detours, because you have the experience, right, to operate in a centralized observability platform. So any suggestion or advice you will give to the end users?
Yes, I think Harry also just mentioned for Guance is provide a wide range of service, or also many tools, even include some open source tools that we can use it to plug in to our service and our own system. So I think the first important point for the client or customer when they are choosing a better platform for monitoring or for looking after their system, they need to choose the right product that can provide wide range of availability and also the monitoring service for them. And also we can see that the trend is many users are looking for open source the support, or also because the community of open source is quite large. So we can see that for Guance is also very friendly with the open source tools. So if the users are using some open source materials at the beginnings, and so they can really easily to plug into this platform for the first initial setup. And also they would like to consider about the multi-cloud support. And we can see that many customers maybe have more than one cloud platform, and for Guance is also support for different kind of cloud platform. And of course they can choose one platform that to deploy the system, and this is the service that we also provide for our clients. Also for some setup some more advanced setup and some monitoring configuration, those we will also suggest they can take a look on those monitoring system tutorial, and we can see that Guance also provide a wide range of tutorial and documentation for our customers, so they can easily to set up and also connect with their own service. And I think that is one important point that during the introduction I also mentioned about the AI trend, and we can see that for Guance is also support some AI service for users to more easy to manage, and also to, let's say, monitor their alerts and try to ignore some false alarms. And those challenges usually we can see that our clients are facing when they are using some monitoring platform as the service for their own system. So we hope that this suggestion and also some consideration when we are choosing the right centralized platform for them.
Okay, thank you much, Chris. You mentioned open source. You mentioned Guance is multi-cloud friendly and also very comprehensive documentation or tutorials to lower the criteria learning curve.
Yeah.
And also you mentioned AI, because that's exactly my next question regarding AI ops. So because AI ops is not widely mentioned by customers, especially today that the large language model is so hot topic, right? Almost every customer, every vendors, they try to apply large language model in their specific area. So Harry, so what's Guance's strategy to adopt large language model, and how does Guance use AI and machine learning, etc., to improve the AI ops?
Yeah. So for this topic, would first ask why we need AI ops. So from my point of view, faster root cause analysis is the key to achieving the goal. And the second question I would like to ask is what the best approach for moving forward? I would say we need more robust full stack monitoring solution and AI solutions as well. This is because AI ops is not going to improve your monitoring visibility. That thus will not help you find the root cause faster. While full stack observability for complex system without AI ops relies on too heavy on people to interpret the data. This is too slow. So we are definitely embracing AI-related technologies. On Guance, we have intelligent inspection module, which provide various or built-in algorithms such as prediction or anomaly detection for root cause analysis that the customer can directly use. Large language model is primarily used in our intelligent inspection as well. We interact with the root cause events that generated by our intelligent inspection, and then provide users with further recommendations, which means a large language model leverage feedback of root cause events to suggest fault resolution strategies. So in addition, Guance utilize AI on various monitoring data type. For example, the log data adopted an improved version of the ring cluster algorithm. And there is a series of built-in machine learning algorithm libraries applied on different monitor. On the dashboard, customer can also directly perform root cause analysis and draw down analyze on relevant metrics by using the built-in algorithm. So Guance will explore and investigate further in AI research and development, and will provide more advanced AI-related features in the future.
Yeah, thank you, Harry. It's good to know that you are trying to use large language model to improve your intelligence inspection and give more insightful root cause analysis for end users. So my follow-up question to Chris. So I know you are running the operation services for customer. So usually you have experience when something happened, you have experience, you have industry know-how to quickly identify the root cause and do the follow-up actions. But today, if large language model or AI do much more than before, I mean, they can even give the answer, even give the fix. So do you think it's a big challenge for your industry? I mean, they no longer need an experienced operation team to help the root cause analysis and doing the follow-up actions, or you think it's also a benefit for you to improve the overall efficiency and to drive the result quickly and to improve the performance? How do you think the large language model
I see. Thank you, Jason. I think it's definitely a chance more than a challenge for us I think as a service provider, especially for managed service. To be honest, we normally we need to input a lot of manpower into monitoring our client system and also the health check, all those we need a lot of cloud engineers working on those monitorings and also some reportings. Every month we need to send our monthly reports of the project of the system status to our clients. With the AI, I think is a chance that we can do some automation on it. And automation, for myself, I think is equal to some cost-effective method. So yes, with the AI ops, that means we can automate some of the daily operation and some manual report generation step, and we can hand it to the AI. And with the large language model, even some of the reporting wordings or some human readable content that we can also hand it to the AI, help us to create and generate those content on the preliminary way. I don't mean that, or I'm not trying to say that the AI can replace all of our engineers, because
Yeah.
I think at this stage the development of AI are still in the early stage, and for the large language model are also evolving every day. So our role is a little bit different from previous. Right
Yeah.
now we are more like the AI engineer or the operator. We try to use AI as the tools so that we can monitor the system
Yeah.
every day and every hour, even every seconds, because AI have to take leave and they will help us to monitor all the data and also the analyze it and then provide the result or summarize the result for our engineers so they can. I think it's a chance that for our engineers we can use the same manpower, but we can monitor and or provide a better service as a managed service provider. We can use the same manpower but with the AI tools, so we can help to monitor or help to provide more result or reports to our clients, have a better qualities, because we can analyze more data and also we can collect more data day by day using the AI. So I think it's a chance that we can using the AI ops to enhance our quality of our service.
Yeah, thank you. Happy to hear your opinion. I mean, yeah, I have a similar understanding that AI should not be replace what we did, but to improve what we did. I mean, they can do the routine jobs that we do before, but human we still have more innovative and more experienced knowledge to focus on the value add part of the job. So, for example, you mentioned that AI will not get tired, right? So we do have partner who use AI for their voice AI. If you're a human, you're making a customer call, for example, 1 hour can for 2 or 3 or 4, but use voice AI robot, they're never tired 7/24. So it improves efficiency very quickly. Thank you, Chris. My next question to Harry is about the observability during the development cycle. I mean, now we talk a lot about the runtime. So to operate the production environment, to know what happened, what we can respond. Observability should not only cover the production environment, but also the whole application development lifecycle. So would you please share more about the cycle and how Guance can provide the observability for the whole application development lifecycle, and what's the benefit that customer can get?
Okay, thank you, Jason. So not like traditional monitoring solution, which is more commonly used by operations team, while observability is indeed extending beyond just operations and is applicable throughout the software development lifecycle. So in today's world of DevOps and cloud computing, observability plays an essential role in the software development lifecycle, which is valuable not only for operation team, but also for developer and test team. And for developer team, Guance will help team develop better software faster, since they have access to real-time feedback on how their code is performing. With its ability to detect issue quickly and provide detailed insights into system behavior, both before and after deployment. And with profiling functionality on Guance, which provide code level observable, customer can easily to understand which row of code actually spent extensive CPU time and use the most of memory. Through this way, developer can pinpoint issue much easier and faster than if they had to rely on traditional debugging methods such as login and manually testing. So in additionally, and Guance helps team understand how their application interact with other systems so that they can create resilient solutions that are least prone to failure due to changes in external dependencies or environment variable change. Of course, for testing, Guance allows tester to monitor and analyze system behavior during test by collecting and analyze data from logs, metrics, and trees with contextual, so that testers can identify potential issue and normalize earlier on to avoid the problem become more complex and costly to fix. And also, Guance enable tester to monitor and measuring the performance of the system during load and stress testing to identify performance bottlenecks and optimize system performance earlier in the development cycle. So for operation team, Guance absolutely provide continuously real-time insights into the production environment. Operations team can proactively identify potential problem and resolve issue to ensure to meet the desired service level objective. So Guance also helps in capacity planning, resource allocation, and identify areas of improvement. So, and furthermore, as Guance is a unified observability platform which provides the same perspective and data standards between development, test, and operation team, is enhancing collaboration efficiency by sharing monitoring data and insights on the same platform. Yeah.
Thank you, Harry. Thank you. I have last question topic regarding multi-cloud. So you know that for the key account large enterprise, they usually adopt the multi-cloud strategy, which means their workload is not only on one single cloud vendors, but multiple, including Alibaba Cloud, of course. So from Alibaba Cloud perspective, compare with other vendors, we have a special product called log service, SLS. So log service, what they did is you can treat it as an observability platform for Alibaba Cloud product. So almost all the Alibaba Cloud product, their logs and their trees can be gathered and saved centrally on log service, which means for Guance type observability platform, if you want to monitor Alibaba Cloud product, it's quite easy. You can just get all the available logs from log service itself. You no need to talk with each individual product like ECS, RDS directly. So that's a big benefit for Guance. You can leverage this advantage to monitor Alibaba Cloud in an efficient way. So may I ask Harry's last question to explore more how Guance integrate with Alibaba Cloud and compare with other cloud vendors? Any benefit or anything you can say?
Thank you, Jason. So Guance and Alibaba Cloud have maintained a close partnership, forming joint solutions in many areas. So for example, last year, as we know, Alibaba Cloud and Guance released an observability joint solution And that means Guance leverages the product capabilities of Alibaba Cloud Log Service, which is SOS for short, to have the Guance SaaS exclusive edition. And so in this exclusive edition, monitor data like log, trace, etc. are stored on the SOS under the user's Alibaba Cloud account. This enabling efficient storage and flexible analysis of observability data. So, and at the same time, user can quickly integrate and access log data from existing SOS instance into Guance, enabling unified analysis of processing log data associated with trace and metrics data in Guance platform. And we have multiple SaaS service site actually deployed on Alibaba Cloud, leveraging its powerful underlying resource capabilities. We also support using Alibaba Cloud's private link to establish connectivity between customer system environment network on Alibaba Cloud and Guance. So this allow seamless integration and data flow for observability purpose. So the benefit of this approach is that it does not consume the public network bandwidth used by the business system. So data also does not transfer on public network, but entirely within the Alibaba Cloud private network, ensuring enhanced data security. So the last of the cost of using private link is much lower comparison with public cloud, public network bandwidth. So furthermore, we have many built-in scripts related to Alibaba Cloud products, so enabling fast and real-time synchronization of monitoring data of Alibaba Cloud PaaS product to Guance through cloud monitoring API interface. So user can have unified monitoring of multi-cloud environment on the same platform. I think the last is Guance support bonding its cost center to a customer's Alibaba Cloud account. The usage fees for Guance will be charged through customer's Alibaba Cloud account, and the relevant invoice will be issued by Alibaba Cloud, and also the application process and rules will follow Alibaba Cloud's official guidelines. So I believe we will have more integration and collaborations with Alibaba Cloud in the future. Yeah.
Thank you, Harry. I think last point is regarding the FinOps, regarding use the cost center to optimize the cost cloud usage. Thank you. I think we discussed a lot today, like what is observability and why it's important for end users, and what they need to know to set up a centralized observability platform. We discussed about AI, how large language model change the industry. We discussed the multi-cloud strategy. So to summarize, so Chris, would you please use like 1 minute to recap your key point for the audience?
I think I don't try to repeat all the things again, but summarize it with a minute to few words that we can see that for Guance, those kind of monitoring system and platform, it provide a all-in-one platform that can allow our customer and clients to have a platform and a way that have the out-of-the-box solution for their system, no matter is deployed in multi-cloud platform or more than one platform, and also no matter which kind of service, is it a streaming service or some simple RESTful API service, we can also use Guance as the all-in-one solution that have a single platform to monitor all those system across their daily operation and their business. And so as the managed service provider Porter's Cloud, we believe that the monitoring system enhanced with AI ops actually is a big chance that we can provide and deliver a better quality of service in monitoring and manage the service area, so we can use the manpower with the AI tools to provide a better monitoring service, and also some reportings, and also to try to find out the errors and some issues quickly, and work with our clients. And also our clients can have lower boundaries when they try to use or try on those monitoring system and platform.
Okay, thank you, Chris. So Harry, do you want to use 1 minute to summarize your opinion?
Yeah, thank you, Jason. So observability, allows us to gather meaningful data and insights to detect and diagnose issue quickly, to minimize downtime and improve system reliability, and also help to maximize resource utilization, optimize performance, and even improve customers' experience. So observability has become a part of the software development process. So Guance is an all-in-one full-stack observability platform. We respect every engineers. So we only work on new customers' experience on our product. Yeah.
Thank you, Harry. I think that's pretty much the conversation today. So thank you so much, Harry. Thank you so much, Chris, to join the interlock. And I hope our discussion today can bring some insight for the customers, no matter they are already having a centralized observability platform, or they have plan to build that. So we hope our conversation today can give them some tips or ideas they can more consider. And thank you so much. Let's see you next time. Thank you.